Okay guys, we go to the next section. The next section is a transformation of a line. So a transformation of a line is determined by the transforming 2 points on the original line. The image of these 2 points can then be used to find the equation of the transformed line. So let's say you have a line G right here, and then you choose 2 points on the line G, and let's say the coordinates is x1 y1 and x2 y2, and then after that I rotate the coordinates. The 2 coordinates is rotated like this, 90-degree clockwise. That means I will have the image of x1 y1 and also the image of x2 y2. And then after that, if I connect them, I will have the image of line G. So this is the concept of transformation of a line. But doing all of that steps can be quite complicated, especially when dealing with a curve later. Therefore, an alternative method is introduced to determine the image of a line under a transformation. So to find the equation of the image of a line, you can follow these steps. First, you have to write the transformation rule, and then 2. The second step is express the transformation in the term of x prime equals to blah 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 x, and also y prime blah 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 y. So later you will find out what is x prime and what is y prime in term of x and also in term of y. Rearrange both equations to make x and y as the subject. That means you have to move the coefficient of x maybe, or maybe the addition and subtraction. You will move it to the left hand side, and then you will have x equals to blah 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 x prime, and then y equals to blah 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 y prime. Substitute the expression for x and y into the original equation of the line. Okay, let's take a look at example questions 1. For questions 1, the original line is, I will write it like this. Original line is y equals to 2x plus 3, and then this line is translated by 4 negative 1. That means the formula will be a open brackets x comma y, and then the transformation is translation for negative 1, and the a prime, according to the rules, it will be x plus 4 and also y minus 1. Okay, that means this is the x prime and this is the y prime. And then from here, I will write it as x prime equals to x plus 4. And then from this one, I will write it as y prime equals to y minus 1. And then after that, we have to rearrange this equation. So we will have x equal to. That means you have to move the plus 4 to the left hand side. You will have x prime minus 4 equals to x. And then you will have y prime plus 1 equals to y. There you go. We already have x equals to blah blah blah, and then y equals to blah blah blah. And then what do you do is to substitute that expression into the line, into the original line. Yeah. So the image will be the image will be this one will be replaced by y plus 1, y prime plus 1, and then equal to open brackets the x will be x prime minus 4, and then plus 3, just like that, and then plus 3, and then you only have to simplify. So y prime plus 1 equals to, multiply this one, 2x prime minus 8, and then plus 3, and then y prime plus 1 equals to, let's simplify the negative 8 and 3. So 2x prime minus 5, and then you will move the 1 to the right hand side. You will have y prime equals to 2x prime minus 6, and then you can remove the prime after you simplify it. That means this is the image, y equals to 2x minus 6. Okay, let's try another example question. So the original line is 3x minus y equals to 5, and then it says it's reflected to the line of y equals to negative x. The formula for y equals to negative x is, let me write it, y equals to negative x a prime open bracket negative y comma negative x. This is the formula. Yeah, that means this one is x prime and that one is y prime. From this one I will write it as x prime equals to negative y, and then from this one I will write it as y prime equals to negative x. And then after this you have to move the negative to the left hand side, so you will have negative x prime equals to y, and then when you move this you will have negative y prime equals to x. There you go. This is our y and x. Next step is to substitute this into the original the original line. Therefore the image will be 3 times the x is negative y prime, okay, and then minus the y is negative x prime, and then equals to 5. And then when you simplify it, you will have negative 3y prime plus x prime equals to 5. After this you can remove the prime. There you go. This is our image. Okay, and then example question 3, we have the original line as x plus 2y equals to 6, and then it says the line will be rotated 90 degree clockwise. The line is rotated 90 degree clockwise, anti-clockwise, with 0 0 as the centers. Yeah, so the formula is 90 degree anti-clockwise. It will be negative y comma x. Okay, negative y comma x. Yeah, so this one is x prime and that one is y prime. You can rewrite this as x prime equals to negative y. You can rewrite this as y prime equals to x. And then we already have the value of x, but for this one you have to move the negative, so you'll have negative x prime equals to y, and we already have the y. Next step is to substitute the x and y into the original line, and then you will have the image. So the x will become y prime plus 2 times y, the y will become negative x prime, and then equals to 6. So y prime minus 2x prime equals to 6. This one is already in the simplest form. That means you can erase the prime, and this is our image. There you go, guys. This is the transformation of a line. I hope that you can understand it well. If you cannot, just ask me. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.